As our machining customers see, choosing the best performing machine tool is not the only way to improve the productivity of a machining cell. Even more complex parts to machine, growing diversity, and even shorter expected industrialization times. This is the reality of today's markets. The request is clear: simplify and minimize startup times. In short, make more chips with constant opening time. ESPI and Productec, both pioneers in their field, combined their know-how to create the link between GibbsCAM and machine tool setup. The Scanflash inspection machines, located next to the machine tools in the workshop, deliver measurement results and compute the corrections that depend on them in record time, in line with machining cycles. By programming Scanflash directly into the GibbsCAM environment, it's now possible to reduce the overall time to industrialize a new part. Going from a new technical office drawing to parts manufacturing in the shortest possible time requires smooth implementation at all stages, from programming machine tools to setting them up in production. With GibbsCAM at the heart of the manufacturing process, the machine tool programmer, in the programming environment she or he knows, can define what needs to be controlled to optimally tune their machines. We thus provide all the necessary tools to guarantee the capability of the machining process.